let's solve this equation together. It says 2x over root x is equal to 4. Okay, now first thing to do here is to eliminate the square root sign. And how do I do this perfectly? I just raise this side to the power of 2, and I raise this side to the power of 2. Because remember, whatever you do on the left hand side, you do on the right hand side. 2x squared is 4x squared over root of x squared is x, and this is equal to 4 squared, which is 16. Alright, now from this point we can decide to cross over or cross multiply. X times 16 is 16x, so we have 4x squared is equal to 16x. Alright, so that we have from here that 4x squared minus 16x is equal to 0. Factorizing, we have 4x into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Alright, so we can conclude from here that it's either, when two things are multiplying to give us 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. Okay, so it's either that 4x is equal to 0, alright, so x is equal to 0, or x minus 4 is equal to 0, hence x is equal to 4. So it means that x is either equals to 0 or x is equal to 4.